This story is about the city, filled with pure water and air, abundance with plant and lives, where people are in touch with nature and surrounded by an integrative built environment. The future may be distant from where we are now. To seek the potential solution to create the greatest city on Earth. Now, everything is possible.
Réfléchir à la manière dont l'innovation et la nature ont façonné notre mode de vie.
この目的が実現した場合、自然が街に戻ってきます。
源自自然的创新，让城市更美好。
I imagine the place functions as an intermediary between us and nature. It's the idea of the built environment that pushes us forward. Phytavaren, building a built environment infrastructure and agriculture facility as an intermediary between our world and the natural world, driving the development of the sustainability market by providing artificial, nature-based solutions and biotechnology. Working with developed and sustainable constructors, connect the city harmoniously with nature. Phytavaren Technology.